Hello guys, welcome back to Foodright Kitchen. Today delicacy is steamed plantain and vegetable soup. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this step-by-step process. So these are the ingredients for the healthy food. Okay, so guys, you will need mackerel fish, salt, crayfish, 2 maggi cubes, olive oil, plantain, ripe or unripe plantain, either of the two, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, scotch bonnet, garlic and ginger. I'm going to be blending all of this together after rinsing it. I'm not going to be blending it too smooth. Just first I'm going to cut the mackerel fish and wash it, sprinkle some salt on it, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven. I'll grill it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to be blending the pepper together now, but I'm not going to be blending it very smooth. I didn't blend it for too long. You can see it's not smooth. So this is like how exactly I want it. I'm going to be boiling it for like 10 minutes now. So this is the mackerel fish after 15 minutes of grilling it. So I'm going to be adding it to the spinach soup. So this is the half onion. So I'm going to be chopping into little pieces because I'll be using it when cooking the spinach soup. Add olive oil in a pot. After the onions is starting to brown, then you pour the blended pepper. Okay, this is it after 10 minutes. So I'm going to be adding the fish. Leave it for like 2 minutes just for the stew to penetrate inside the fish. This is after 2 minutes. You can see the water is a bit dry on the bottom. I'm going to be adding the spinach bit by bit. If you notice I didn't cut the spinach, it's because it's baby spinach, so there's no need to, to cut it. If you notice, I didn't pour hot water in the spinach. I just want it raw like that, so that I didn't remove all the nutrients inside. So this is it. Spinach is ready. You don't have to cover it or anything. Just leave it to steam for 5 minutes, and your spinach soup will be ready. And that's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be cutting the plantain and steam it. So you chop off the end bit and cut it into into three pieces. So now I'm going to be putting it in the pot and pour a little water because I just want to steam it. Sprinkle a little salt, then add about this size of water. Remember I said I'm going to steam it, not cook for that long time. We've come to the end of the video now. You can see how delicious the steamed plantain and vegetable soup is looking already. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also guys, comment down below if you agree with me that this recipe is simple, healthy and delicious. And I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.